Hey guys, it's Miss Cuban here. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about angles and quadrilaterals, and if I give you 3 angles, how to find the 4th angle. One thing you need to know is that quadrilaterals, the angles add up to be 360 degrees. Okay? All the angles inside of a quadrilateral add up to be 360 degrees. This is a fact that you need to have memorized. I don't say that too much, but you need to memorize it. Okay? 360 degrees. It's a very big deal. Okay? And we go back to our past unit with equations to help us find how to find the missing angle. Let me show you an example. For example, I have a quadrilateral here, and it gives me 3 angles, and I'm looking for the 4th. Well, I need to write down how to find the missing angle. I know that when I add up all 4 angles, it equals 360 degrees. So I'm going to start off by writing that down. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals 360 degrees. Okay, I'm writing that down. Next thing I want you to do is I want you to substitute the angle letters for the numbers they give you. For instance, they tell me that angle A is 95 degrees, so I'm going to put 95 instead of angle A. Plus, angle B is 105 degrees. Angle C, well, they don't give us a measurement, so I'm going to put angle C, just angle C. Angle D is 100. And I know that it adds up to be 360 degrees. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to add up the numbers that on the left side. Add them together. Okay? So I have 95 plus 105 plus 100. 5 plus 5 is 10. I say 10 and I write 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So I'm left with 300 plus, and I keep my angle C, and that equals 360 degrees. Next, I need to get angle C by itself. So if the operation being applied to angle C is addition, then I need to do the inverse operation of addition. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction. So I need to subtract 300 from each side. And I get 300 minus 300 is 0 plus angle C. Well, 0 plus angle C gives me angle C. And 360 degrees minus 300 gives me 60 degrees. So my answer is 60 degrees is angle C. I can check my answer by looking at my angle. And this is an acute, and I know that 60 degrees is an acute angle, so it is reasonable that my answer is correct. Okay, let's try this next problem. I have a quadrilateral, IUVW, and I'm told that I need to look for angle V. Okay, so I start off with what I know. Well, it's quadrilateral, so I know that angle I plus angle U plus angle V plus angle W equals 360 degrees. Now I substitute for what I have. Angle I is 88 degrees. Angle U is 46 degrees. I am looking for angle V, so I'm going to keep it angle V. And angle W is 110 degrees. And I know that all of this is equal to 360 degrees. Same process still applies. I need to add up what they give me on the left side. So 88 plus 46 plus 110. 8 plus 6 is 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 244. So I get 244 plus angle V equals 360 degrees. I need to do the inverse operation of addition. So I will be subtracting 244 on each side. I get angle V equals, well, I subtract, I get 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so 116 degrees is my answer. Okay, that is how you find the missing angle of a quadrilateral. I need to see your equations written down, and I need you to take it step by step. There is no rushing. If you rush, you will make mistakes. Have a good day.